हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो आज हम करेंगे रिव्यू एप्पल वॉच सीरीज़ 5 44 का GPS वर्जन। दिस इज़ ए लॉन्ग टर्म ऑनरशिप रिव्यू। सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस वॉच फ्रॉम दिसंबर 2019, ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 साल के ऊपर हो गया है। एंड आई विल शो यू व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट दिस वॉच, व्हाट आई डिड नॉट, एंड overall how is the performance now after 1.5 years. Okay, so let's start. First thing about the build. Okay, so build is very strong. I'm very happy about that. So I इसको मैंने काफ़ी rough use किया है while playing badminton, swimming. So you can see the strap is still intact, in a very good shape. Okay, कोई खास कुछ नहीं है, even no scratches on the back side. And the screen you can see some you see one of the biggest scratch here. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but that is only one thing which I did notice. Yeah, here. Okay, otherwise the screen is also of good quality, and this happened because I did hit hardly on the wall once. Okay, and that is when I got the scratch. Otherwise the build quality is very good, no complaints. This is about the battery performance. So मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि बैटरी लाइफ आफ्टर यूजिंग ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 years रेगुलरली कितनी हो गई है. सो देखिए, यू कैन गो हियर टू सेटिंग्स. आप जा सकते हैं इन बैटरी एंड हियर बैटरी हेल्थ. So you can see it's at 81% right now from 100. So overall from a usage perspective, entire day of use आपको नहीं मिलेगा. If you are using or tracking, आप 1 घंटे एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, if you are tracking with this, you will not see that much of battery life. आपको इवनिंग होने तक चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. Right now when ये नई थी, so almost I was able to use it for the entire day. Okay, so that is the difference, and I think maybe I can still use it for another 1.5 years. And after that, if सेम रेट से बैटरी गिरती रही, सो आई माइट हैव टू बाई ए न्यू वन, और दिस वुड बी प्रैक्टिकली नॉट यूजेबल. सो दैट मीन्स इफ आई हैव टू कंक्लूड, मे बी 4 years if you are using it nicely would be the life of this watch to practically use it. Okay, you can still use it, but as a practical watch purpose, उतना ही लाइफ होगा उसका. Now coming to the software, so काफ़ी upgrades मिले हैं in last 1.5 years from Apple, and still ये काफ़ी fast है, काफ़ी responsive है, no complaints. देखिए, it behaves very fast. Okay, and I don't use the screen on. Means when I'm not looking, I will prefer to keep the screen off, so just to save battery. But otherwise, no complaints on the software. Is still one of the best watches from the other companies what you have. Okay, so no competition in terms of software, I would say. Okay, and very good features. Now about some of the usable features about this, which I liked the most. So one thing is, I think the dB or the sound measurement what you see here. Okay, so sometimes we don't recognize that the atmosphere is environment is very noisy. Okay, but it will give you an alarm, and you would be cautious, right? Okay, hey, you are in a very noisy environment and you better be a little bit careful. Okay, that's a good thing. Then other thing is the compass. I really liked it. Okay, so let me just open and show you. Yeah, here it is. So this is very good. आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, if you just have to know the direction, your elevation, you can definitely go ahead and immediately use that. Okay, it's very precise also. And the other best thing which differentiates this is the ECG, and I have not compared it with any of the regular hospital ECGs. Okay, this is just one diode ECG, but seems it is pretty good and useful feature. So if you're not a very much fitness enthusiast, I'm not sure how much useful that would be for you. Okay, so that is another one. Another very useful feature is voice memos right in the watch. ये देखिए, आपके पास हाथ में watch है, and you know, if you have to record something immediately, just go to your watch and just click this voice memos. It will record and will be immediately available on phone also. Okay, so काफ़ी अच्छा feature है, and काफ़ी handy भी है. In case you have to immediately record something, you are outside, you can immediately do that. Okay, and then some of the good things is calculator. काफ़ी अच्छा है, and like you are in a shop and you have to do some, you don't want to take out your mobile, right? It's very easy and very useful to do some small things. Okay, the good thing is the camera shutter. Okay, so I find this आई थिंक वेरी यूज़फुल। आपको अगर कैमरा फ़ोन में आप सेल्फी ले रहे हैं या कहीं पर फ़ोन रख के आप फ़ोटो ले रहे हैं, यू कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ दिस एंड क्लिक द फोटोज़ फ्रॉम हियर, ओके, एंड यू कैन स्विच बिटवीन फ्रंट एंड बैक कैमरास। काफ़ी अच्छा फीचर है एंड काफ़ी यूज़फुल भी है। एंड द अदर बिगेस्ट गुड फीचर आई वुड से इज़ आप रात को म्यूज़िक सुन रहे हैं एंड फ़ोन इज़ समवेयर राइट, आप स्पीकर में डाल रखा है, सो यूजिंग your watch itself you can just go to the next song or pause the music, right? So that is sometimes you don't realize, but it comes very handy sometimes, okay, to use it. And the notifications and all, anyways, you know, it's very good, highly very nicely integrated with Apple Watch and Apple ecosystem, okay. No complaints about that. It's very useful. In fact, once you start using Apple Watch and if you go to any other Android products, right, you would again come back to this, okay. So that good is the integration with Apple ecosystem and this Apple Watch. Now let's track from an average person if you are planning to use this watch for tracking your health, your vitals. So let me tell you what else would actually help. So Apple, आपको मालूम है ये 3 सर्कल्स, राइट, हाउ मच यू कंप्लीट अगेंस्ट योर गोल्स, इट विल शो यू ऑल द मेट्रिक्स। तो काफ़ी अच्छा है, लाइक कितना आपका टारगेट है उसके रेस्पेक्टिव में, कितना आपने मूव किया, कितना आपने एक्सरसाइज किया। 45 मिनट्स टारगेट है, आई डिड ओनली फॉर 12 मिनट्स राइट नाउ। कितना टाइम आपने स्टैंड किया इन 1 आवर, राइट, इफ़ यू स्टैंड फॉर मोर देन 5 मिनट्स इन 1 आवर, आपको ये 1 आवर रिकॉर्ड कर लेगा। लाइक दिस इट विल शो इन ग्राफिकल टर्म्स ऑल्सो। सो इट हैज़ बेसिकली आपका स्टेप्स, ऑसिलेटर है आपका, स्टेप्स वो वेरी एक्यूरेटली मेजर करेगा, देन योर हार्ट बीट, okay. So these are the 2 sensors which basically you would use the most, okay. And then it has an integration with health app, right? So all the vitals it collects, it will be shown in the app itself, okay. So from a exercise, or if you are a regular person, you want to track some of the normal exercise you do, it is good. It will keep you motivated, okay. It will show you keep it target and then you achieve with respect to that. So it will show some good, it will give you some good medals and all these things. So basically it will keep you motivated. But if you are expecting it to track a lot of other things, like this is series 4, it cannot track your SpO2 or something. But if you are and if you are a very serious runner, right, and if you are expecting it to track lot other things, I don't think that is really worth it, right? It's for an average person, yes, you can use it to know, okay, hey, how is your heartbeat. For example, sometimes during fever, right, my heartbeat would be much higher, okay. So during this time, and you can even record, right, when you become tense, how is your heartbeat. When you are driving, how is your heartbeat. So I feel that is something which is good to know. So because when you start exercising, you will see that gradually the highs or the peaks you see starts to go down, right? So for example, when you are walking, initially it might be at 90, okay, but as and when you do more and more exercise, during walking your heartbeat will come down to say 80. So that is a good indicator that you are doing good, right? So these all things you can track as an average user in this, and it will definitely help you to keep motivated, okay. And the integration with, like I said, health app in Apple is very good, right? It will tell you, it will give you a lot of insights with the data it has collected. Like आपने लास्ट 6 महीने में आप एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, कम कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, राइट? आपको आपका ओवरऑल डेटा, लाइक आप जब चलते हैं, when you walk for more than a few kilometers or a few like 15 minutes, I think, using this and tracking with the walking app, right? Activities app, in that walking, it will actually show you how was your oxygen, how well your body used the consumed oxygen. I'm not sure again how accurate that is, but what I had noticed is it increases when you do more and more regular walking, okay. So which is pretty good, and in one way I feel that is probably working, right, because it is actually recording that, okay. And then one good thing about the screen I like is even in bright sunlight you can see it very clearly, no complaints, no issues, okay. And you will not have, and even the response is very good, okay. Whenever even if you put it to not the screen always on, right, if you switch off that always on mode, okay, you just do a slight flick and the screen will be visible when you are wearing it. I never had a problem where I have to do twice or thrice to see what is the time. Okay, just simply आप इसको जरा सा ऊपर उठाओ हथेली को, it will recognize that you are looking for it and it will immediately the screen become on और आप time देख सकते हैं. So these are very very nice things which Apple did very brilliantly, right? They have simple things but makes a lot of difference in the overall user experience. Okay, so to summarize, should means क्या मैंने सही किया ये वॉच लेके? Definitely मैंने सही किया, right? But second thing, is it practical to keep it for 5 to 6 years and then upgrade? I would say no. If you are going to use it very regularly, the most probably you would be able to use it without either replacing the battery is 3 years, right? After that, the rate at which is going down right now, I would say after 3 to 4 years, depending on your usage, it might become very unpractical to use with the same battery. You will either have to go for an upgrade or maybe get the battery replaced. I'm not sure if that is a very good feasible option, or but that would be something which you have to think before you go and buy this, right? And if I have to compare with some of the like Fitbit, Versa, which are way cheaper than this, okay, so what I felt is those watches are pretty good. They can basically record everything with the same accuracy which it does, but the difference this makes is in terms of integration you get via Apple ecosystem. Just an example, right? I have used Fitbit, very good. It can record everything, but just to sync it with your phone, it will take 5 to 10 minutes, right? You will have to do that activity. You have to manually sync every time. Okay, but this one, you do something, you finish your activity, you just open your phone and everything is just right there. Right? So that is the difference between this and other devices which I had used. Okay, which actually makes a lot of difference in terms of overall usability. Okay, so if you are looking for a smartwatch and the best you want, you can definitely go for Apple Watch. Okay, and but if you are ready to compromise in terms of some of these features, again, not features but usability things, you can definitely go for other watches available from different brands. Okay, so that's it, folks. If you have any other questions or any other things you would like to know from on this, right? So finally, the price before I close, I got it for around 44,000 in December 2019. Okay, and right now I think you have deals where you can get it also at 37, 36. So I feel that would be a good deal instead of going for Series 6, the latest one. So not much of a difference is what I have seen, right? So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this. Do put your comments or anything you would like to know. I would be very happy to reply. If you like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you.